Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Considering this is the Bearded Sharpener channel, I thought it was time had another sharpening video. What we're going to talk about today is why you strop a straight razor in between uses. This is a Dovo Barbarossa, and I trimmed up with it the other day. Yes, the Bearded Sharpener does use a little razor. When you shave with one of these, this blade is so delicate that it will move from side to side. So you have to realign the razor. That's why you strop. I put this under the microscope after I used it. I want everybody to see it is a little bit out of alignment. Just have a little short clip of this. Then we'll come back and we'll discuss what it looks like after it's on the strop. After this razor is set for a couple of days, let it get down, I like to re-strop with a smooth strop. Every so often you have to put it on a black, ultra fine, surgical grade Arkansas stone. But in between, if you don't let it get too bad, you can use a green coated strop. This one comes from Knives Plus. And actually it's an 8-inch block strop, and I've got a 12-inch one that will be in here in just a few days. They shipped it yesterday. Now we'll show you a little video of what this looks like after the strop. Now I believe everyone can see the difference in why you have the need to strop a razor. Till next time, the Bearded Sharpener. Don't forget we have a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Share this with all your friends. Write in if you have any questions. Till next time, the Bearded Sharpener.